Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a new recruitment from Powergrid. They are hiring for field engineers and field supervisor. Here graduates, diploma and graduates are eligible. 800 vacancies are there. All India eligible. So all the relevant details regarding this recruitment, various posts and qualifications required, experience if any required for this, all are going to discuss in this video. Watch the video till the end without skipping, and if you are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe my channel also.
Powergrid Corporation of India Limited has published recruitment notifications for field engineer and field supervisor post. Total vacancies 800 and the application ending date is 11th December 2022. It comes under central government jobs, and next we are going to see the selection process. It includes screening test or computer based test and interview. Job location all across India, and the official website link is also given here. We are going to see the vacancy details, name of post and corresponding vacancy details. For field engineer in electrical 50 vacancy, field engineer electronics and communication 15 vacancy, field engineer IT 15 vacancy, field supervisor electrical 480 vacancy, and field supervisor electronics and communication 240 vacancy, thereby total 800 vacancies. Next is education qualifications and experience required. First of all, the post is field engineer electrical. Qualifications and experience required is full-time BE or BTech or BSc engineering in electrical discipline or equivalent from a recognized university or institute, and should have 1 year post-qualification experience. The next post is field engineer electronics and communication. Here qualification is full-time BE or BTech in electronics and communication engineering or equivalent, and experience required is 1 year post qualification experience. Next we are going to see the post is field engineer IT, full time B or BTech in information technology or equivalent, and experience required is 1 year. Then next one is field supervisor electrical. Qualification is full-time diploma in electrical engineering and should have 1 year post-qualification experience. Next post is field supervisor in electronics and communication. Qualification is full-time diploma in electronics and communication and have required 1 year of experience. Next one is salary details. For the post of field engineer electrical and field engineer electronics and communication and field engineer IT, salary range 30,000 to 1,20,000 rupees. Then next for field supervisor electrical, field supervisor electronics and communication, salary range 23,000 to 1,05,000 rupees per month. Next is selection process. For the post of field engineer and supervisor, selection will be done on the basis of screening test or computer based test, and the selected candidates will be called for the interview, and the final merit will be drawn purely on the basis of performance in the interview for field engineers or screening test for field supervisors. Then is age limit. Upper age limit is 29 years as on 11th December 2022, and candidates should not be born before 11th December 1993 or after 11th December 2004. Next we are going to see the application fee for various posts. For field engineer electrical, electronics and telecommunication and IT, no refundable application fee is 400, and for field supervisor application fee is 300, and for SCST, PWBD and ex-servicemen candidates, they are exempted from application fee. Here we can see the important guidelines to the candidates. Here give the photographs size maximum 50 KB and format JPG format. Similarly for signature also maximum size 30 KB and it's also in JPG format. Then certificates required is birth certificate, metric or class 10 certificate, maximum size 1 MB in PDF format, and qualification certificate, it's also size maximum 1 MB in PDF format. Then qualification mark sheet maximum size 10 MB, and experience certificate maximum size 1 MB. Then caste certificate also maximum size 1 MB. These all are in PDF format. Then Next is disability certificate, EWS, examination discharge certificate, all. Its corresponding size and format is also given here. Then a last date for online application is also given here. For more enquiries, mail ID is given here. The official notification from Powergrid, you can see these all posts shall be purely on temporary and contractual basis for a period of 24 months initially until completion of projects, whichever is earlier. Then various post and category wise breakup vacancies is given here. Age limit that we already discussed, the age limit. Next is job specification, name of post, then essential qualifications, experience required, all are given here in detail. First of all, for field engineer, electrical, essential post ID is, first of all, post ID is given here for field engineer electrical. Qualification is given here and minimum marks required is also given here. 55% marks for general OBC and pass mark for SC, ST and PWBD candidates. Then various disciplines and field experience. Similarly for next one, field engineer electronics and communication, post ID code is given here. Essential qualifications with percentage of marks required is also given. Disciplines and field experience. Similarly for various posts, you can see these post ID, qualifications, experience, all. The next one is important information to candidates. First of all, these posts are of temporary in nature. The next one is selection process. Selection will involve interview only and of the eligible and shortlisted candidates. However, the management reserves the right to raise the minimum eligibility standards or criteria, and screening test, if conducted, shall be for elimination process only and will not have any weightage in final merit. And the scheme of the test will be as following. The test would be of 1 hour duration and sections and number of questions. Technical knowledge test, 50 questions based on engineering syllabus in the relevant discipline, and aptitude test, 25 questions based on logical reasoning, data interpretation, comprehension, vocabulary, data sufficiency and numerical ability. All questions would have MCQ type with 4 options and carry equal weightage, and there shall be no negative marking. Then qualifying marks in screening test for unreserved category is 40% and for 30% for reserved category. Then next is merit will be drawn purely on the basis of performance in the interview. Next one, application fee details that already we discussed. Then how to apply for the post is given. Website link is given here. On that, career sessions, move to job opportunities openings, and there you can see this link for applying for field engineer post. No other means or mode of application shall be accepted. Before registering and submitting applications, candidates should possess a valid email ID and mobile number and kept active throughout the selection process, and the what all certificates required for uploading during the time of registration is also given here. Its size, format, all are given in detail. Then payment of application fee details is also given here. So candidates go through these instructions thoroughly before applying for the post. After that, after read these instructions, you can apply before the last date. General information and instructions are also given. Only Indian nationals are eligible. Age above 18 years. Then one more thing is higher technical qualifications like B or BTech, ME or MTech, etc. with or without diploma is not allowed for the post of field supervisor. And application fee is non-refundable even if the candidate is rejected for any reason. And training or teaching period will not be counted as experience. And the last date is 11/12/2022, and the cutoff date for the purpose of upper age limit and post qualification work experience is 11/12/2022, and the date of interview or screening test will be announced later.
Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.